Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Demerara simple syrup. And we're going to use that recipe from the Death & Company book. It has syrups and cocktails in it. It's an amazing resource. All we're going to need to make this is going to be some warm water, a stirring spoon, a glass, and some Demerara sugar. This recipe calls for a 2-to-1 ratio, so we're going to do 2-to-1 sugar. So we're going to do 2 sugar, 1 warm water. The best way to do this is actually to weigh it, but don't have a scale on me, so we're just going to eyeball it with a measuring cup. This is actually going to make 1 cup. Pour that into your glass. I'm going to take 1/3 of a cup of warm water. Just put it in here. This will take a minute, so it's good to start stirring. You could also shake this if you want to. It might be a little faster. This is great for old fashions, even really good in mojitos. You want to make sure you get this fully dissolved, and it could take up to maybe 2 minutes. Once you've made your syrup, it's good to transfer it into a glass or a small jar. And there you have it, guys. That's how to make Demerara simple syrup. Be sure to hit like, hit the subscribe button, and I got more cocktail videos coming to you soon. Cheers.